Alright guys, I'm doing a cold start on my 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD Duramax diesel. So earlier there was frost on the truck, now it's all getting about water on it. It was about 24 earlier, and now it's like 35 degrees right now. So we're gonna see if the glow plug lights even come on. Yep, they do. Now they go off. See, it's 36. And she was a little bitter right there. She's not even that bad, starting up in the cold. One shot, she fucking done, man. Man, it's even cold down in New fucking Jersey. Oh guys, it looks like a Jack Frost cold start this morning. So, look, there's even frost on my windshield. Not the good. And on my tow mirrors too. Oh yeah. My lanyard's stuck. Fuck. Yeah, 30 degrees out. That thing looks like a freaking palm tree and like a weight and an angel or something on my hood. It's so weird. It's so funky. Okay guys, what is up? So I wanted to actually cold start this on Monday because it was 19 degrees and it actually would have been the sickest cold start because the truck actually sputtered for a few seconds when it was 19 degrees, but it's around like the low 30s, high 20s, so we're just gonna get one of those normal cold starts. I did not get a chance to put in my new WeatherTech floor mats, so I'm gonna do that over the weekend. And yeah, it's gonna be really nice. There's a lot more mods, there's a lot more upgrades that could come to this truck that it's not gonna void my warranty, but once 2022 comes, there's gonna be a lot more coming. I mean, she sputtered a little bit, but she's still running good. Okay guys, what is up? So it has been over 24 hours since I last started my black Midnight Rider, or my black Mamba. I call it the Midnight Rider usually, but it's been over 24 hours now since I haven't started her. And guys, we're just gonna see what happens right now, what she sounds like. So we gotta cycle the glow plugs. Come on. 2, 3, 4, start. Oh, there she fucking blows, boys! Yeah! And she didn't fucking fail, man! Woohoo! Yeah! That's 24 fucking hours! Oh man, she fucking still blows after 24 hours, man! Oh Oh my fucking Lord, she fucking lives, man. I fucking made it. You did fucking good, baby. I love you so much. You fucking lived by yourself for 24 hours and sat. You are the best truck I have ever owned in my entire life. I would not trade this truck for a dime or a dozen. I love this truck to the millionth mile. Alright? No fucking joke. Alright guys, catch you in the next video. Oh yeah. Alright guys, it's currently like 6 degrees out. It's actually 7. Recycle the glow plugs. 3, 4, and here we go. Oh my fucking God! Oh my God, she fucking did it again! Yes! Single digit temps, and it fucking starts, man! Woo! Yeah! I love this thing, man! Okay guys, what is up? So it's currently the next morning. It's around between 1 degrees and 4 degrees, but look, my 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD Duramax diesel. Go wait till that plane flies over. As I was saying, my 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD Duramax diesel with the third and the last generation L5P motor. Yeah, she does need a wash, but I haven't started her in about 12 hours. Now, recently before, I have started this truck 24 hours later on after I've let it been sitting and not running. But I'm just gonna start this right now after 12 hours of not running. So we're gonna see what it sounds like at around like 1 degrees or 4 degrees. I'm gonna check what the thermostat says, but I'm gonna do a different angle. I'm gonna set the camera down right here. I'm gonna see what it sounds like. All right. as you can see, like, woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Man, she grumbling. As you can see, like, the thermostat's at 10 degrees. Look at that grumble. I'm low on diesel emissions fluid. I gotta fill it with diesel emissions fluid. I'm low on fucking oil. It is bad. For 2019, she is not supposed to be grumbling like this. I mean, that clutch fan and these belts, they are not supposed to be sounding like this. Listen to that grumble, guys. Up now, she's starting to smoke a little bit. Damn. Probably gotta close this hood real quick. Yeah, guys, that was my roughest and toughest cold start on my 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD Duramax diesel with the third and the last generation L5P motor. Be sure to share, subscribe, like, comment what other truck videos you want to see, because I got plenty more coming out. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. So 10 quarts of oil, 7 quarts of diesel emissions fluid. Hot oil's kicking in, which is good. Sounds like a jet engine. This is where we're busting in today.